Hi guys, Steph here. What have we got for you today? What we've got for you today is another gorgeous pen, which was, well, quite simply, it was reserved by a viewer subject to full restoration. He saw the pen here. There you go, look at that, very nice indeed. A lovely pen and comes with the original box. And here's the pen now. As we've just said, comes in the original Conway Stewart box, which is actually in quite nice condition as it is. So let's open it up. Let's take the pen out. Look at that. Comes with the original instructions and guarantee there inside, which we'll leave inside for now. And here's the beauty in question. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. What we've got here is a Conway Stewart number 73, made in England, and comes in this lovely blue hatch pattern. Very, very nice indeed. Now this pen, I'm dating from around about 1958, I believe, through to 1963. And when this pen was actually launched, I believe it came out in a standard black colour. It also came in a green and red hatch pattern, as well as this blue one. And it's also a little bit debatable whether it actually came in a couple of different marble colours. And again, it's a little bit debatable. I believe it's whether they actually came in a herringbone pattern as well. If you go on the site there with Conway Stewart, they're not too sure whether the herringbone and the marbling colours actually exist. But as I said, we've got this stunning blue hatched pattern. The size of this pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, is a lovely 135 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's rather a slim pen. It's approximately 11 millimeters in diameter. It's got a lovely clear barrel imprint. And there you go, Conway Stewart number 73, made in England. So a nice clear barrel imprint. As you see there, it's got the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip. So it's a lever fill fountain pen. And the trim, the gold fill trim, you can see the cap bands. It has two narrow cap bands and a medium one to the centre. And then to the top, the very recognisable clip there. Okay, it's what we term as the diamond clip with the Conway Stewart logo to the top there. And to the very top, we've got this black stud there, slightly peaked, which sort of complements the black end of the barrel. But all in all, a stunning pen. As I said, this one was reserved, subject to restoration. It'll be whizzing across the pond to the new owner very, very soon in beautiful, beautiful condition. Let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in a number of different angles. Everything internally has been cleaned. It's been totally disassembled. Put brand new sack in the pen, and it's ready to go. So you can see the threads to the top of the barrel there. We've got this quite a short section, as you can see there, this slight ridge towards the nib. And then we've got this lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold, and then to the bottom you can see it's got the correct number 4 nib for this specific model. There's a sideways view for you. The feed underneath, quite a plain feed, as you can see. And as I tell you in all the videos, lovely and clean. Everything has been thoroughly cleaned in beautiful, beautiful condition. Okay, it's a lovely size pen, even with my large hands, because it's quite a, as I say, it's a slender pen, but quite a long pen as well. But even with my large hands, it's still nice and comfortable to actually write with. But we're not going to write with it. I'm not going to fill the pen because, as I said, I've put a brand new sack in it. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. He can decide which is his favourite ink. He can fill it up and away he goes right with the pen. But what we'll do, to the side here, I've got some ink. Let's just do a dip test. So what we've got is a Conway Stewart, as we said, number 73, made in England between, I believe, 1958 and 63. It's writing very nicely indeed. There's no flex to the nib. It's quite a firm nib. But there we have it, writing with a fine line, as you can see. As I said, writing very nicely indeed, as you would expect from a quality fountain pen. So what we'll do, we'll clean that nib after this video. We'll get the pen packaged and we'll get it in the post to go across the pond to the new owner, who I'm sure will enjoy this pen for many years to come. So there we have it, a absolutely gorgeous Conway Stewart 73 in this beautiful blue hatch pattern, which incidentally, for you people that don't know, the blue hatch is quite a sought after pattern on these Conway Stewart pens. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. Just press that button down below, the thumbs up, to say that you've enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this handsome pen. Bye-bye for now.